What if I told you that you can make $50 a day using ChatGPT in a simple freelancing platform? No experience needed, no investment required, just your phone or laptop and about 2 hours of your time. Sound good? Let me show you exactly how this works. Hey everyone, welcome to Earn Smart Infinitum. Today, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to start making money online using ChatGPT. This method is perfect for complete beginners, and the best part is you can start today. All right, here's the method. We're going to use ChatGPT to write content, and then we're going to sell that content on a platform called Fiverr. Now, before you say, "But I'm not a writer," just hear me out, because ChatGPT is going to do most of the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1, sign up for a free ChatGPT account. Just go to chat.openai.com and create an account. It takes like 2 minutes. Step 2, go to fiverr.com and create a seller account. Again, totally free. When you're setting up your profile, keep it simple. You don't need anything fancy. Step 3, create a gig. A gig is basically a service you're offering. In this case, you're going to offer blog writing or article writing services. Set your price at $15 to $20 for a 500-word article. I know that sounds low, but trust me, we're building reviews first. Now, here's where ChatGPT comes in. When someone orders from you, they'll tell you what topic they want the article about. Let's say they want an article about healthy eating tips for busy people. You go to ChatGPT and type something like, "Write a 500-word blog post about 10 healthy eating tips for busy people." Boom! ChatGPT gives you a complete article in like 30 seconds. But here's the important part. Don't just copy and paste it directly. Read through it, make a few small edits, change some sentences to sound more natural, maybe add a personal touch or two. This takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Then you deliver it to your client. They're happy, you get paid, and you get a 5-star review. Now, let's talk about the money. If you charge $20 per article and you complete just 3 articles per day, that's $60. Do that 5 days a week and you're making $300 a week. That's over $1,000 a month. And here's the cool part. Once you have 10 to 15 good reviews on Fiverr, you can start charging more. $30, $40, even $50 per article. Some people are charging $100 for longer content. I know some of you might be thinking, is this ethical? And yes, it absolutely is. You're using a tool to help you work faster, just like a graphic designer uses Photoshop or a video editor uses editing software. As long as you're delivering quality work and making sure the content is good, you're providing real value. So, let's recap really quick. Step 1, sign up for ChatGPT. Step 2, create a Fiverr account. Step 3, offer article writing services. Step 4, use ChatGPT to help you write, but always edit and personalize the content. Step 5, deliver great work, get reviews, and start making money. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning online right now. You don't need special skills, you don't need to invest money, you just need a couple hours a day, and you're good to go. So, are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more simple ways to make money online, hit that subscribe button because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.